The trick while doing these sort of terrain. What's up people, good morning. The time now is around 10:30 and we're just heading out to see some sightseeing places in Kodaikanal. As we were told, most of them are closed or partially opened, as in if the lake is open there's no boat rides, or if hotels are open it's only a takeaway. So we'll try to cover as much as possible and come down by around evening. I just hope it doesn't rain, that's all. I can see a bit of drizzling already as I'm telling. The weather is so chilled. I think it would be around 13 to 15 degrees max. That indica must have been standing from lot many days. Plants have started to grow from the inside. This one you can easily go on. The trick while doing these sort of terrains is never stop and always don't sit completely. Leave pressure on your foot pegs and kind of lift your arms a bit so that the bike doesn't have too much weight to maneuver around and it will guide through easily. Not a pro tip as such, just talking out of my experience. The Ooty hairpin bends, you will have to go in a particular way and then you know it's the same turn which comes up. But in Kodaikanal Ghats it's not like that. It's like you'll be going crisscross, suddenly there'll be a hairpin bend and suddenly there'll be a stretch of road like for around 300 or 400 meters which will be very straight. And then again you will start getting hairpin bends, again twisties. Huh. Okay. What he said is a very good idea. Since tourists will be a lot out there, we'll just park this bike in a very secluded spot so that it is kind of hidden away. ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು. We walked around the lake for a bit and there was nothing much. So most of the shops were closed. Guna caves are closed. Another cave network is also closed. So we're heading towards a pine forest. That's a pretty scenic location. I've already been there with my family once. Just felt like going again. This is the resort which we stayed when I came with my family. Pretty nice place this is. Neatly maintained. This horse is escorting us, standing like a model or something. Okay, seems like this is closed. Oh. Okay, they're not letting us go in. Might as well take some pictures here and head out. Okay, right now we're heading towards Altaf's Cafe. This is a very prominent cafe in Kodaikanal. Seems that the view is very nice from here and you sort of get special delicacies also. It's like a cult, what do you call it, cafeteria or something. I could see some hippie type people also going. And there is also a check post out here. Vattakanal. Left acho. There's also a stream going down and people are also kind of enjoying in it. Nice. kind of feels like a very secluded place. Nice smell coming though. We just now finished a very hefty lunch at Altaf's Cafe, and if at all you're coming to Kodaikanal, just come into this cafe once. Worth a visit is all I would say. And there are also rumors that you get all this magic mushrooms and all here, which they completely deny. I'm not sure if you get here or not, or it's just a word of mouth going around. So any which ways we wouldn't have had. So just giving an heads up, that's all. If at all you guys have plans of having whatever this magic mushroom or something, this is definitely not the place. Every tourist attraction in Kodaikanal is sort of closed. Kind of a bit disappointing. Disappointed as in you guys weren't able to see. Once you have done a sort of a road, you kind of get the confidence to do it again. I'm not bluffing, guys. I'm also a beginner in doing all this off-roading stuff, but again, once you happen to do it, the confidence you get, it's unimaginable. Back to the room. We definitely have no plans of going outside again, so this is it. Maybe the next time you see the bike, it will be tomorrow morning. ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು, ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10-15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.